Hello guys, I am Anand Mukherjee. I created this project. This is HR record project. With the help of machine learning libraries and some Python concept, we made this project. Here is the brief description of this project. The program structure consists of concept of conditional structure like if else, the looping statement, for loop, basically for loop, control structure and oops concept. Project going through the process of collection of 1000 record data of employee taken from HR department of an application and apply principle of oops to create a program taking 8 different departments from an organization. I created this project. Here we import some machine learning libraries like NumPy for numerical Python for some mathematical computation and pandas to read our data and matplotlib to plot some graph with the help of data. Here is the data frame. Here we read the Excel file and here is the data frame, so that when we DS is a describe structure. So here we go. As we move further, like here we apply some conditional structures, like we have a performance rating also, as we can saw that here is our performance rating. On the basis of that a person how much they spend their time on company, and like this we apply some conditional structure like if performance rating is less than or equal to 4, lower than 4, then it's the person it need improvement, or is greater than 4, so it's a good performance. Equal to 5, good performance but not promoted. Greater than 5, good performance, promoted. Greater than 5, like greater or equal than 5, not promoted. Here as we can saw that we move further, like here we find the data frame. As we can saw the different data frame, as we move further, like if we move further, then we can saw that like a person have a greater than 5. If there he has a 5 performance rating, not promoted, but he has a 6 performance rating. Like as we can saw that cell A2 has a performance rating 6. Cell A2 has a performance rating 6, so he is promoted, right? So as we move further, that this is our program. We apply pandas value count function to count how much employee need improvement, how much employees are good performer. We apply the loop statement to check employee name who is a good performer and promoted who is not promoted. As we can sort the whole data, like here we apply loops and we can saw all employees data, who is good performers or not good performers. As we can saw that for another, like to check who is a good performer and who need improvement, we create a loop, and this is like a person is a good performance whose performance rating less than 4 is need improvement. Like A3 his performance rating is less than 4, he need improvement, as it is. As we can saw, move further, here we apply we plot some graph with the help of matplotlib function. Here we can saw the performance rating with the help of graph, like 488% has performance rating 4. The total percentage is 49%. 14% have performance rating is 3, and the percent of performance rating 3 is 1%. As we can saw, The total number of performance rating 5% are 302, which is 30% approx. So we find the gender ratio. What the gender ratio we have in company? 500 male and 500 female, which is 50-50%. All we can go. We can find department, different department in our company. Also like human resources, customer support, IT, maintenance, test team, sales, research and development, operations. Find the rules. What are the rules in our company, like customer success, repetition, customer support, customer care, data analyst, equipment inspectors, front end engineer, all kind of rules, as we can solve with the help of the graph. We can also find the marital status of our company, like 500 people are single and 500 people are married. We can plot the gender and age ratio with the help of matplotlib. And here we apply some OOPS concept. Basically we apply inheritance, that we can match our data. So here we come, and here we come with the conclusion. With the help of data we can manage our data. We can find the employee deserve promotion or not, their response for the company. We can track their performance by their performance rating. This is all about my project. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel.